Now, this is an image of me. Like, this is me, flesh and blood. This is me. I wanted to check out what Nano AI generated. Yup, this is AI generated. This is AI generated. This is AI generated. This is also AI generated. And the results are outstanding. Now you might be guessing what's created this. Well, it's no other but Google's Nano Banana. And it's something that's making the entire world go bananas because everybody is talking about this particular image generator. Like Google just came and just literally killed every other image generator out there. And what exactly is this Nano Banana? It's an image editing in Gemini. And you can use this to modify your images. You can use this to create things like character consistency. You can use this to upgrade your products. You can use this for product imaging. You can use this to get perfect mockups. It is that amazing. Well, there are many things that this particular site can do for us. I'm just going to show you how I was able to achieve this from this. It's very, very simple. And all you have to do is go to your Chrome browser and then you search for gemini.google.com/app. I'm going to leave the link for you so you can just click on it and access it. Now, this is exactly how the interface should look like, right? So from the interface, you have these options here. Click on these tools and then you see deep research, you see canvas, you see create images, you see guided learning. We are clicking on create images. So after you click on that, you click on this plus icon here to add files. Let's just say you have a file that you want to create an image from. Let's say you have a reference photo. Like for me here, this is my reference photo and this is what was generated for me. So I'm still going to upload that as my reference photo. You have options here, upload files or add from drive. So I'm going to click on upload files. After that, you go to wherever the image you want to work with is. So I'm just going to click on this and click on select. So I've uploaded that. So after this, you're just going to give it the prompts. That's what you want this image to be. I'm going to say create her seated on a posh chair in a green park. She wears a chic pink jump suits. She has long, sleek, black, bone straight hair. She has minimal jewelry. Then what else? She has an Apple laptop in front of her. She looks up and smiles at the viewer. She looks up and then smiles at the viewer. So whatever prompt it is you want, you just input it here. And then afterwards, you click on enter. Click on this or click on enter. And then you wait for that to generate. Now, if this is your first time on my channel, my name is Rira Create. And what I do on this channel is to teach you how to prompt, create, and dominate. We explore the many possibilities of prompting and artificial intelligence on this channel. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do that. Click on the subscribe button, like this video, leave a comment. You have a question, leave a question, leave something nice, something beautiful. Yep, I would like to read it and I'd like to hear from you. So this is exactly how it's going to work. And yes, this is it. You see, I feel like I should pay Google's bride price now. This is it. You see, this is it. This is the image. This is it. That's exactly how you can go from this to this. So for those of us that don't like taking pictures, somebody like me, I have found a hack. You're just going to download this. And if you want to upscale it, you can just go to any other image upscaler and you could upscale your picture. And this is the icon here. You see, this is the logo here. You could remove the logo if you want, or you could also change the size. Let's say you want to change this to 16:9. You could change the ratio to 16:9. You could change it to 1:1, however you want. So let's try this. Let's say I want 2 images of 2 different people seated together. So I'm going to upload the first image. I'm going to upload the first image. Let me pick something from my gallery. Let's pick, there's an image I'm looking for. Let us pick this image, open. Yes. And then I'm also going to add a second file. Upload files. I'm going to add a second image. So still go to my gallery and let me search for another image. Possibilities you can try with this. You just need to be very, very creative. Okay, so there's an image I have and I want to try something. Now this is an image of Julius Caesar. So let's also upload that. So these are the 2 images here. One is this lady and one is Julius Caesar. So I think this is still loading, but let me just give the prompt. Let's say, okay, so this is the image of this lady and then the image of Julius Caesar. So let's give it a prompt. Make both of them stand together in, let's say, stand together, make both of them stand together close to the Statue of Liberty. Let's try this. Close to the Statue of Liberty. They are both smiling and gazing forward. Yep. So click on that and let's wait and see what Nano Banana is going to do for us. Another thing you could try with this is product images. Like I said earlier, you have a product, you could do perfect mockups for it using this. Now, yep. This is it. This is it. Like, this is the image. Hey, this is the image. You see how crazy this could be? Wow. So this is exactly how you can access it. Like, isn't this amazing? Isn't this amazing? I am just blown away. And there are so many possibilities you could achieve with this. So many possibilities. This is currently free, but I know it's not going to be free for now. So please just go on, create as many images as you want because I am milking this. I know you enjoyed this video. Please like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel and leave a comment on the kind of videos you would like me to create in the future. Until then, stay safe. Ciao, ciao.